Hello, good morning. Here I am to begin this. We have seen the last videos. The eyes are not here, written by the symbol. The question answer glossary and comprehension functions we have seen. That is answer the following with questions briefly. This I have seen it. Now, in this video, we are going to see about the close study from this. Okay. The first. Read the following extracts carefully, discuss in pairs, and then write the answers to the questions given below them. And these are the kinds, they are given the options to us. Okay. Statement is, first statement. You may break, you may shatter the vase if you will, but the scent of the rose will linger there still. The first one. What is the figure of speech used in the passage above? Answer is figure of speech, metaphor. METAPHOR. B. What is the vase compared to? The vase is compared to her hair. C. What does the shattering of the vase refer to? Answer. Disturbing the hair. D. What does the scent of the rose refer to? Answer is perfume. Second, once again I had a game to play with a new fellow traveler. Question. What kind of a game does the speaker play with his fellow traveler? Answer. Pretend to be a person with a normal eyesight. B. What do you understand from this about his attitude? Answer. He wants to be treated like a normal person. C. Who had outwitted whom in the game already played by the narrator? Answer. The girl had outwitted the young man. Now comes as the paragraph writing. Discuss in pairs, group of 4 each, and answer the following questions individually. Note down the important points and then develop the points into one paragraph answer. Question. Give instance to show that the narrator tried his best to impress that he was normal sighted during his encounter with the girl. I will go slow, listen carefully and make your notes. Answer. As soon as the girl enters the compartment, the young man asks her whether she was going all the way to Dehradun. Full stop. When the girl expressed her surprise and tries to hide the fact that she was blind, saying, I did not know anyone else was here. The young man, in his enthusiasm, to prove her that he was normal sighted, tells her, comma, I did not see you either, but I heard you coming. Had the young man been confident enough, he should not have made the statement. But he was guilty that he was blind, and so makes an attempt to cover up his fault. Next paragraph. When the girl learns that he was going to Musarai, she tells him that he is lucky and that she loves the hills, especially in October. Full stop. The young man recalls from memory his previous visits to Musarai and conveys his approval that October was the best time to visit Musarai. Then he gives a beautiful description of the natural scenery in Musarai, only to let her know that he was normal sighted like any other person. Next he tells the girl that she had an interesting face, only to flatter her. Second question. Everyone thinks he could outwit anyone, but sometimes he himself is outwitted by others. Substantiate this with a reference to the story. Here, outwit, cheated. He could cheat anyone, but sometimes he himself is cheated by others. Okay, outwit means cheat, get cheated. Answer. It is true. It is also true. Sorry, I continue again. It is true that sometimes people think that they could outwit anyone, and it is also true that such people themselves are outwitted by others. The story, The Eyes Are Not Here, aptly illustrates this truth. A young man, blind man, is traveling alone in a compartment on a train going to Musarai. At Rohana station, a girl enters the compartment, and the young man happens to hear all the advice given to the girl by her parents. The young man feels fascinated by her voice, and so, just to engage himself in a conversation with the girl, asked her whether she was going all the way to Dehradun. As he was sitting in a dark corner of the compartment, the girl is startled to hear a voice. She then tells him that she did not know anyone else was there. Next para. It is sure coincident that the girl who boarded his compartment at Rohanna is also blind. That is why she could not see him and was startled by his voice. Since the young man is also blind, he makes an attempt to hide the fact that he is blind from her. Therefore, he does not know that she is blind, and just to pretend that he is normal sighted, tells her that he did not see her either, but he heard her coming in. Next paragraph. He decided to keep to his seat so that she would not learn that he is blind. A little later, the girl tells him that she was going to Shaharnapur and she would be met by her aunt there. Being curious to know where he was going, the girl asks him where he was going, and he replies that he was going to Dehradun and then to Musarai. The girl exclaims and says that he was lucky and expresses her wish to see Musarai. She also states that she loves the hills, especially in October, wishing to profess that he had seen Musarai thoroughly. The man remarks that October was the best time to visit Musarai. Then he gives her a good description of the scenery in Musarai during October. Next paragraph. A little while later, the young man tries to flatter her, saying she had an interesting face. The girl feels flattered and laughs. She then remarks that it is nice to be told that she had an interesting face, as she was tired of the people telling her that she had pretty face. This remark kindles the young man's powers of imaginations. In a flirtatious tone, that an interesting face can also be pretty. The young lady calls him a gallant young man and asks him why he was so serious. By then the train reaches Dehra and the girl alights from the train. But the young man who loves goes into a rivière. At Dehra station, a man enters the compartment. He addressed the young man who had just left. The blind young man says that she was undoubtedly an interesting girl and asks him whether she kept her long hair or short. The man replies that he did not notice that. Then he tells the blind young man that it was her eyes that he noticed and not her hair. Then he tells him that she had beautiful eyes, but they were of no use to her, and that she was completely blind. It is at this juncture that the blind young man comes to know that though he made a great effort to cheat her, he had failed in his attempt and she had brilliantly outwitted him or cheated him. With this we finish the question answers of this lesson. See you soon for the next lesson.